But then a miracle occurred. Less than a minute after being picked up, Oscar, the rabbit who had been as lifeless as a vegetable just moments before, slowly opened his eyes. He blinked a few times, looked up at Mindy's face, and then started to squirm as if to say, "Okay, human, you can put me down now." The moment Mindy placed him back on the floor, Oscar stood up, shook his fur a couple of times, and casually hopped back over to his carrot to continue eating, as if nothing had happened, leaving Mindy standing there in utter confusion. At first, Mindy thought it must have been a fluke, but then it happened again. When she accidentally dropped a pot on the kitchen floor with a loud clang, Oscar fainted. When she let out a loud sneeze, achoo, Oscar fainted. Even when her phone rang unexpectedly, Oscar was ready to drop to the floor and strike a dramatic pose at a moment's notice. Mindy started to figure it out. This wasn't a medical issue, this was a performance. Oscar, her sweet little rabbit, was a master of drama, an actor who deserved an award for Best Leading Performance, and so she gave him a new nickname, Oscar the Drama King.